Hey everybody! So I got a lot of traction on the last video I did that had to do with building your own DIY folding desk. During these times we have a lot of kids that are still at home, they're not able to go to school, spreading all this homework around, and you gotta move it and take it down. So this is a DIY desk that anybody can build. The way this works, all you need is a 2 foot by 4 foot, 3/4 inch piece of plywood. Also what you'll need is a 1 by 3 by 8 foot piece of pine, and that is used for the legs. You'll need 2 of those. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 2 foot by 4 foot desk. That will make the desk 24 inches wide. We're gonna cut 2 pieces on it that are 18 inches and 18 inches. That's gonna get our top and the bottom. Then we have to cut the sides. What I do is I go ahead and measure everything out on the 2 by 4 piece of plywood. I will cut down those lines, and that will give me all the pieces I need for the box. The sides are going to be 4 inches tall. So let's do this. We're gonna mark on your 2 by 4 piece of plywood. You're gonna put a line 18 inches, 36 inches, which is another 18 inches, and then you're going to get 3 pieces out of that that are 4 inches each. I will show you later how we're going to cut down the 2 sides because those are not going to be 24 inches long. So let's get at it. Okay, so now we got our 2 top and bottom pieces cut out. They're 24 inches by 18. We've also got our 3 sides cut out. These are 24 inches long, 4 inches wide. But here's the thing, our sides of our box are only 18 inches wide. What we're gonna do is keep this one back piece the same, 24 inches. But when it comes down to the 2 sides, we're gonna cut those at 17 and 1/4 inches. Not 18 inches for the side because the back piece is 3/4 inch thick. So 17 1/4, we'll cut those on the miter saw, and then we'll get the box glued and put together. Yeah. That's nice. Okay, so what I do here is I take my leg and I put it right at the top, make sure it's flush. This is 5 inches in right here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it on the sides like that, because it allows me to put the glue on. And you don't have to put a lot, because the last thing you want is it dripping like that. Gun ready. Okay, so line it up with the lines that you drew. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 1.5 inch brad nails, that way they don't go through and your little ones are scratched up by brad nails. A little bit of glue comes out, wipe it up. I know there's only 4 brad nails, but once this glue dries, it's gonna be a solid piece. Do the same with the front. Go ahead and put a mark 10 inches on both of the back legs. Tiny bit of wood glue. And when you do this, you just put one brad nail in for now. And 4 right there. Boom. What you can do on the side piece for the legs, when you cut the first one out, go ahead and just reach over, use it as a template, mark the second piece. Okay, what I did was I turned the desk on its side. These cross pieces go on the inside of the legs, and they're the same 10 degrees as we cut on the legs. This is about 15.5 inches. You can go ahead and measure and cut just to make sure it's right. I'm gonna go ahead and mark just a tiny little mark where my legs are. I wanna put some glue down. Doesn't take much, just makes it really nice and solid. A couple of brads. 2 will do the job. Flip it over, do the same to the other side. Okay, this is it. Built it. It is so sturdy. I built this for $20. Basically, you can build 4 desks out of one full sheet of 4 foot by 8 foot piece of plywood. What I'd like to do is just get this spread around, let everybody know about it. The cut list and the description of materials will be in the description of the video. Take a look at it. I hope I made it self-explanatory. I'm gonna take it in real quick, get it set up, and guys, it's gonna be awesome. So build these. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'll answer them as quick as I can. Thank you, everybody. Okay, here it is. This is the desk. Your kid or kids are going to love it. It's their own little personal workspace. You can stain it, paint it, decorate it, put stickers on it. Distant learning is difficult at this time. I understand it's got its challenges. I promise you all the teachers are doing everything they can to help your student out. So this will get the kids off the kitchen table. You can put this in their room, maybe give them some quiet time. Make it wider if you want, that's up to you. Again, I made this for less than $20. So good luck. Or if you have any questions, again, in the comment section, I'll get to you as quick as I can, and happy building.